Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make tempe manis or sweet tempe, which is one of the Balinese side dishes. This dish normally they serve in the Nasi Campur. So when you buy the Nasi Campur in Bali, they always have a tempe manis, a part of the Nasi Campur side dishes. So for this recipe, I'm going to use 300 gram of tempeh. And for the paste, I'm going to use 3 big red chili, 2 garlic, 5 shallot, 3 bird eye chili, and also I'm going to use later 2 big red chili. I'm going to slice and mix with tempeh, and 1 for garnish, and 3 kaffir lime leaf. And also we need 2 cup of vegetable oil for deep fry the tempeh, some oil for the paste, salt, palm sugar, and thick sweet soy sauce. So let's make it. First thing, I'm going to deep fry the tempeh. So I'm going to add the oil, two cups of oil. So I'm going to put high heat first, and when it's get hot, and I turn it down to the medium. And now I'm going to prepare the tempeh. So we're going to slice it not too thin but not too thick too. So I quite like the tempeh. Yeah. So this thickness. But if you would like the tempeh cut bigger or thicker, is absolutely fine too. So I normally test when its oil is ready, so I just put a pinch of salt. If the salt just come out quickly, then the oil is ready. Yes, the oil is ready, so I'm going to add the tempeh now and fry it until crispy. And I'm going to put down the heat to medium. Oops. Sorry. I like the tempe manis texture is crispy, but if you don't, then you don't have to make it crispy. So stir it occasionally. While we waiting the tempeh is cooked, so I'm going to prepare the paste. I'm going to cut this into small pieces. And we're going to blend it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1, 2. So blend it until smooth. We're going to cook later. And now I'm going to slice the big red chilies. And I'm going to slice thinly the kaffir lime leaf, which is here. I'm going to use the middle part of the leaf. Just give a little hard texture for the tempeh and the aromatic. So now I'm going to check the tempeh. So you just take one. I think it's already, and then you can see this is crispy enough, and I'm going to take it off now. Just turn it off. tempeh is ready. Look at here how crispy they are. So now we're going to cook the paste. Medium heat, so I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the vegetable oil. Wait until the oil is ready. Hot. Now the oil is ready, so let's add the paste. So stir it, and I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt and 2 tablespoons of palm sugar, 1, 2, and half tablespoon of sweet soy sauce. Kaffir lime leaf, and the tempeh. Stir it well until all the paste mixed with the tempeh. And I'm going to add the last is a big red chili. It's ready. So let's split it. So I'm going to slice another big red chili just for garnish. Here we are, Balinese Tempe Manis. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I'll see you next time. Matur suksema, bye-bye.